everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you guys the ad preview for Sunday, February 16th through Saturday, February 22nd. It's going to be a slow week. You guys, the inserts that we are getting, I think it's just one Read Tell Me Not, and it's pathetic. It's so bad. It's not even worth even buying a newspaper. I mean, if you guys get it, maybe get one. But I'm just going to probably just get the newspaper that I get sent to my house, and most likely it'll only have like 2 coupons on there because they are that pathetic this week. Plus it's President's Day on Monday, so I think it's President's Day on Monday, so that is that. But here is the deals that they're going to do. So they got the Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. There's going to be a digital coupon making it $1.50. You guys can also submit your receipts to Kellogg's Family Rewards. You can get points for that. You guys can get gift cards, which is kind of cool with that. They have the Scott's paper towels and toilet paper and Kleenex. Those are an all-month deal, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. We do have some like 50-cent coupons that I think you can print off from the website if you guys want to do that. They come to be like $3.25 a piece, and then you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. The next deal you guys want to do, if you guys have those coupons, is the Colgate toothpaste. Now, we did get some coupons in the 2.9 Smart Source. I didn't get any of those coupons. I got like one. There might be some digitals that hopefully pop up. Maybe, hopefully, some printables. But if you guys do have those coupons, the ones that we do have currently are expiring Saturday. But those ones are from the 2.9 Smart Source. Like I said, you guys could use 2 $1 off coupons. You'd pay $3.98. You get 4,000 points. It comes out to be free. That's a deal where you guys can pay with points. There is going to be a $1 digital coupon for Purex, making them 99 cents. So if you guys like that, go for it. Soda is buy 2 at $6.19, you get 1 free. I don't do that, you guys. Like, they have deals where you can get it 3 for $9.99 or 3 for $8.99, unless you guys absolutely need pop. But it's $12.40 for 3 packs of pop. Do not do it unless you are that desperate. Dunkin' Donuts, $4.99. I don't know if there's a coupon out there for it, but you know, if you guys need some coffee, go for it. NyQuil is $6.99, and then you guys will get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. All the beauty products are buy 2, get the 3rd free. We are having Tide, $4.99. There's going to be an online coupon for $2, making it $2.99. Okay deal. It's up to you guys. Yeah, and if you guys follow me on Deals by DesignerJen, I did share with you guys a coupon that you guys could send in for some chips. So I might use those coupons that I got. So pretty good deal. 2 for $5 is not the greatest deal, but it's still, you know, okay. More cereal, 2 for $5. Pop-Tarts, 2 for $5. Yeah, not the greatest. Now they do have the Nice brand plates or the home or complete home plates. Buy one, get one free. I don't know. I think they're getting rid of all the Nice brand and changing to complete home. I don't know exactly, but I think those are $3.49 at the store. So you guys could get 2 of them for $3.49. Makes them like $1.75 a piece. It's up to you guys if you guys need those. Bumblebee tuna, 5 for $4. Or they got other Bumblebee tuna, 4 for $5. So, figure out what kind of Bumblebee tuna you guys need. Okay, more food deals. They got some stuff that's buy one, get one free. Frozen products, buy one, get one 50% off. Now we're in the liquor. They do have it where if you buy 2 of the cupcake wines, you guys will get a $4 savings reward, which is a little bit different than set register rewards. There's just more detail to it, so yeah. Candy, nothing really popping out for candy, which is okay. A lot of the Valentine's Day candy will be all on sale, so if you guys need candy, just go buy some Valentine's Day candy. And I do think, I do have a list of possibly when the markdowns are going to happen for the 90% off deal. I'm not 100% positive, but we're looking at 70% off possibly on February 18th and 90% off on February 20th. Not 100% sure, but that could happen. Once I find out more information, I will do that. They got Dawn dish soap, 99 cents. Garbage bags, $6.99. Other stuff, you know, nothing really popping out. Here's more cleaning products, $6.99 for the Arm & Hammer. Well, we did have some $1 off printable coupons. I'm not sure when those dates expire. Comes out to be $5.99, but those do look like they're the bigger bottles, so Yes, they're doing the same deal with the Revlon and the Almave as it is, you know, the past week. Buy 2, you get a $5 registry reward. So if you guys want to use those coupons up, I have a feeling that could be an all-month sale. Not 100% sure, but, you know, yeah. Axe and Dove is buy one, get one 50% off, and then when you buy 3, you get 3,000 points. I did see some stuff discontinued, I think. If it is, there could be some chance that you guys can get some points. I will try to remember to see if I can do something like that, but yes. Here they got Crest toothpaste and toothbrushes, 2 for $8. It looks like there's going to be a $1 off coupon. Most likely there'll be a $1 off coupon for the toothpaste and a $1 off coupon for the toothbrushes. You guys would end up paying $6 if you do that deal. You get the $4 register reward. Makes them $1 a piece. I don't know. It's up to you guys if you guys really need it. I usually say try to pay less than a quarter for toothpaste and $1's okay for, you know, toothbrushes. So yes, other more Dove and Dove and Dove. 3,000 points when you guys buy 3. Now we're into the medicines and all that jazz. Yeah. Nothing really popping out. They got some Advil, Robitussin, $2 off online card, $4 off. Yeah. They do have hauls, 2 for $5. I think that is an all-month thing. We do have a $1.25 off a 2 coupon for that. And that seems to be about it. Nothing really popping out, you guys. It's an okay week, but nothing really to be super excited about. So I'll try to share with you guys some deals and stuff might pop up on us anyways. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all Sunday for my Sunday haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.